Rah. Everybody. Yeah, 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 yeah. Kim Kardashian West, you are back at it again. Showing off your ass. You want to murder us? You and your husband's ex, Amber Rosie. It looks like you want to kill us with sugar diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart attack. Showing off your booties every day. Or maybe you two are just in a competition. Maybe Amber is trying to win back Kanye, and you are trying to keep him. But we are the biggest victims here. My big black brown snake just caught sugar diabetes right now, and high blood pressure. It has become stiff and swollen. Okay, now bring your booty to me right now, before my big black brown snake catches a heart attack. Come and calm it down. And I promise you that I will not let that booty keep on going west. I'll work hard on it and make it go south, down south. And you will have nothing to show to the magazines. You stay home and take care of the baby, or even get an office job. What is wearing Prada? You are not wearing anything. Okay, now come. Right now. Please, I love you. I love you very pornographically. You see?
It is a shame, a total shame.